Hi, I'm Luliva Tony from Trophy Developers Uganda. We design websites, mobile applications with the digital marketing that drive results. A modern tour and travel company needs more than just a beautiful website. It needs a digital platform built for performance, visibility, trust, and conversion. This is what we developed for Pearl Voyages. Pearl Voyages was not built just using generic templates or overloaded plugins. We engineered a fully custom tour and travel platform designed specifically for modern travel businesses, from the code base to the user experience. Every part of the system was structured around speed, scalability, SEO, and seamless content management. The platform delivers a premium travel experience across desktop, tablet, mobile devices with smooth and fast loading and conversion-focused design. We developed a powerful content management system that allows the Pearl Voyages team to easily manage destinations, itineraries, and tour packages, home sections, and SEO metadata. Every content can be managed by the team and the travel experiences without touching the code, because that is the work for Trophy Developer to do. So we created a seamless experience for the business owners and also the people who will be viewing the website, and those are the travelers. Every package was designed to support storytelling, traveler engagement, and inquiry generation. Design was beyond, because the entire system was optimized for search engines and modern discovery systems. We implemented advanced SEO architecture, including structured schema markup, dynamic metadata management, open graphic optimization, canonical structures, site optimization, and multilingual SEO foundations, and also search engine friendly content management systems. This ensures the system is positioned for stronger visibility across Google and AI-powered search experiences. Performance was also a critical priority. The website was optimized for fast loading, responsive content, media delivery, image optimization, clean architecture, and scalable infrastructure to support long-term growth. Every detail was designed to improve trust, engagement, and conversion. Pearl Voyages is more than a travel website. It is a complete digital infrastructure built for a modern tour and travel company. If you are a tour operator looking for a flawless, conversion-focused, SEO-optimized travel website tailored specifically for the tourism industry, we, Trophy Developers, can help you to build it properly, from custom development and travel-focused SEO systems to SEO and schema implementation, performance optimization, and scalable architecture. We create platforms designed to help travel brands grow. Explore Pearl Voyages at pearlvoyages.com and discover what is possible when technology, strategy, and travel experiences come together. We at Trophy Developers Uganda Limited, we design websites, mobile applications with the digital marketing that drive results for your business to grow. Thank you for watching.